Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first of all, I would like to say thank you very much for my teacher and the good Almighty who has given me this opportunity to presentation module 1 to module 6. And that before I am introduction myself. Okay, my name is Nurul Hasana. I class B chemistry education and I group 2. And the first I'm presented the module 1. The title of this experiment is zeolite synthesis from rice husk H or RHA. And objective the experiment is synthesis zeolite from RHA. Next, sample taking the rice husk H used was taken from Tilong Kabilah, Bone Bolango, Regency. Okay, next procedure. The first, which RHA as much as 15 gram for 3 compression, which KOH as much as 10 gram, 8,75 gram and 7,5 gram. Next, add 10 ml of water each. Next, which Al2 atau M43 as much as 3,75 gram for 3 compression. Next, add 10 ml of water each. Okay. Next, mix KOH solution with Al2 atau M43 and RHA for each compression. Heat off with water but while stirring until the solution is thick. Next, transfer the solution in the wet glass and dry in the oven. The light after the change the output. Okay, can see treatment and observation. The observation treatment the one each as much as 7,5 grams, and the treatment with KOH in 3 compression. The observation as much as 5 grams. And treatment wage Al2 atau M4 in 3 compression. Observation is as much 1,857 grams. Treatment. Next, making KOH solution by adding 10 ml of water each. The observation water solubles. Next treatment make Al2 atau M43 solution by add 10 ml of water each. The observation water solubles. Treatment mix RHA with KOH solution and Al2 atau M43 solution. Observation each compression in solubles in water. Treatment. Next, heating solution mix a hot plate. Observation solution takes with strong scent. Treatment drying is sample in the oven. Observation synthetic zeolite is formed in the black color and not thick. Okay. Next, discussion. In the synthesis of zeolite, use rice husk H from furnace burning in the village North Toto Tilong Kabilah. The use of rice H husk in this zeolite synthesis because the sample contain silica ions which are the content of zeolite. Can see figure 1 stamping in the North Toto village. Okay, next, the first thing to do is weigh the ash of rice husk and much as 7,5 gram for 3 compression. So the total use of rice husk is 22,5 gram. Can see figure 2 fresh height as much as 7,5 gram for the comparison. Okay, next wing KWH as much. Next, after getting a sample with the apparent weight is continue by making KWH solution by add aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Next wings Al2SO4 as much, and the mass 1,875 for 3 comparison. So this number of sample used is 5,625 gram. Can see figure for Al2SO4 as much. Okay, next, after getting the sample, continue by making a solution by add aqueous as much as 10 ml in each comparison. Next, apply the HH KWH solution and Al2SO4 solution in the each comparison so as to get a pitch black solution. The reaction result from mixing KWH with HH are as follows: SiO2 plus 2 KWH, the product K2SiO3 plus H2O. Next, the reaction result from the mixing of KWH with HH as component with Al2SO4 is as follows: K2SiO4 plus Al2SO4. The product K2SO4 plus Jolit. After all the ingredients have been mixed and product a black solution, then the solution will be heated using a hot plate. Can see figure 5, product of heating and the solution. Okay, next, heating using a hot plate in intent to make a thick solution before heating using an oven. This heating is done to evaporate the heat in order to get the result of a thick solution. After getting a thick solution, transfer of solution into the wet glass. Wash surface has been welded with filter paper. After that, heat the solution. Heating in the oven is done for 15 minutes until the gelatin dries. Can see figure 6, a solution ready to be heated. Okay, next, can see figure 7, solid results from the drying process in the oven. Drying in the oven is done releasing water drops in the jelly. The result is that the jelly turns solid and pitch black in color. Okay, next, conclusion. The experiment carried out can be concluded that jelly can be synthesized from rice has because it has a lot of silica content. This rice has its content in the literature is 92 and 95% silica, which has a pore. Its leak stand has a broad external surface, so it's very useful as an absorbent and insulator. Okay. Thank you.